Hi everyone, welcome back to Kalu's Kitchen. Today I am going to give a review on this Tatte Idli Maker. I bought this product from Amazon. You can buy this product from the link given in the description below. Check it out. Moving on to the product. This product is specially designed to make Tatte Idlis. This Tatte Idli Maker is made from stainless steel. The stand contains 4 plates. The diameter of each plate is 14.5 cm. The height of each plate is 2.5 cm. The weight of the product is 700 grams and the diameter of product is 15 cm. This product contains 4 stands on the corners, of which only one is movable and the other 3 stands are sealed. So you can slide the stand to the other side and remove the plates easily. That is all about this useful product. So let's learn how to make Tatte Idlis. Firstly, grease all the Tatte Idli plates with oil. Secondly, you need idli batter. Scoop the batter and add to the plates. You can add scoops as you wish, be it 2, 3, 4 scoops of batter in each plate. Once the plates are filled and ready, stack up the plates one by one on the idli stand. Time to cook. I am placing this in an idli vessel. You can also place inside a 3-liter cooker. Steam the idlis for about 8 to 10 minutes. So our idlis are ready. Let's have a look at them. The idlis came out really well. You can see how soft and fluffy these idlis are. You can have these soft fluffy idlis with either chutney, sambar or idli powder. That is all for today. I hope you liked the product. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for more. Buy the product, try and let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Bye.